What do you think of my dress? Did you see my dress haul video that I did? This one's got pockets. Not like you couldn't carry a lot because it would weight your dress down, but yeah. But it's nice to have little pockets, you know. Kind of like a, I don't even know what would fit in here. It's big pockets but lightweight. Something lightweight. You could put a little snack, a little chocolate bar. Ooh, do I have a chocolate bar? Let's see. Oh yeah, oh that fits great. I can totally go. I like to go on regular making walks, and sometimes I bring a little treat to share with everybody. Hey beautiful biscuits. Welcome back to the Wholesome Feed. If you are new here, whoops, I just jiggled you a lot and I think my throat got being a little weird there. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rose Kelly. I am a romance novelist and manifesting self-care community guide on Patreon. And if you want to join, or grab your copy, link down in my link tree. I need to tidy up because I have been baking. In fact, I will take you back in time. I'll show you a little glimpse. I was baking something for my Fans of Romance page, and so I'm going to show you little clips of it. I can't show you everything. If you want yours, you can pop on over and grab the whole film, but I'll give you a little sneak peek of what I'm baking. But it has made a mess, so I need to clean it up. Let me do that real fast, and then we'll gossip. Hey there. Oh, can you even see the counter? There you go. Okay, I've got to soak this puppy. So much fun for when you're baking, having a little container for salt. I treated myself to a new scent, and I don't always use this brand because it's not the most natural, but I just where I was at, and I do like the smell. I thought, what's that? Ooh, that's a lot of flour. I have been working on caring more about what matters and caring less about what doesn't, which sounds simple, but if you live in the modern world and the amount of opinions that get shoved at you every single gosh darn day is incredible. And that's not even my work. I look at my work and I think, oh man, it's good to just, I was dancing around cleaning a moment ago and I thought, it's good to be authentically yourself. Even if other people, you aren't other people's cup of tea, you're never going to be everybody's cup of tea, like ever. There's just too many opinions of what can be and should be and won't be. You just can never be everybody's cup of tea. But oh my God, is it powerful. I put away this season. I was making some kind of bagel rolls. I don't boil them, but I just bake them. And it's good to just feel like yourself. And I don't know, this summer is starting to really make me, spring? I think it's summer, I'm gonna call it summer. Summer is really starting to make me feel more in myself, which is a really nice feeling. In fact, I will share on Patreon more of how I've been getting back to myself, because my life is still my life, right? Like, you know, it's still my life. But really just perspective and scheduling has been a big one. Oh, that's so much better. No, it's not covered in dough. Oh, I've been up to do. Who doesn't love fresh flowers? I've been a fresh flower bender. I have been doing a ton of fresh flower videos over for patrons that are exclusive on there. So if you love a little cottagecore rom-com, the homemaker tier on Patreon is a really good one if you love flowers and cottagecore cozy vibes with divine feminine. It's making me feel very Very summer vibes. Oh yeah. Oh wait, biscuits. Have you seen my books that are out? These are my nonfiction. If you want to learn about manifesting, but learn in a fun, playful way, because we all know I never take anything too seriously. Well, I do. Then I burn out, and then I learn to not take things seriously. So boom, that's my style. Biscuits, would you like to come along for just a homey womey day? I think the time is good. I've got to go do a live for the fans of Romance Biscuits because I want to come on and say hi there. And I have to pop on and start working on my Friday trivia quiz for Patreon. So I have to do it, finalize what the theme is for Patreon, and then I have to do all the research for all the quiz questions, and then I have to figure out how I want to write them and what format I want to do. I've been playing with different formats, and then hopefully get it all ready because I'm a little behind this week. I've been doing a lot in mom life lately, and oh, I gotta go check that, and it's been a lot. Here, biscuits, let's see how this turned out. Want to come with me? Okay. There's my biscuit oven. Somebody's been playing with it. It's done. They look all tasty and done. Oh yeah. Gotta do the baguette dance. We're doing a demi baguette and a full-size baguette because I didn't quite have enough dough and miscalculated. But these are sourdough. Who's making sourdough? Who has finally gone down that rabbit hole? 'Tis me, biscuits. I made tater salad for everybody. I was snacking on it. Not that anybody notices I do all that, but you know what? I notice, and I am cultivating my dream life. These look so good. And then we did baked bagels, which admittedly some of them did close up a little bit, but that's because I was really grooving out and having fun and being naughty filming that video. I was distracted, but I had a great time with it, and that's what matters. Let's come along for a very cozy day. Hey biscuit, I thought I'd show you a little behind the scenes. I'm filming some things for the gram. Is anybody getting the new AI buddies? Please don't do that. If you feel like you need somebody to chat with, come chat with me. I will chat with you. Don't chat with AI. It's just a little creepy of an idea, I think. I'm trying to put captions on this video, but we shall see. Yeah, I have no idea. Oh my gosh, this cocoa is so good. I filmed the most naughty, ridiculous, spicy take on making hot cocoa that I've ever done, and it was delightful. Oh, captions aren't working. Well, I love getting out of my safety zone, like where I feel really secure creating art and things, and then just making something new. It delights me. This really did turn out good. Okay, I like that. Here's to adventuring, getting out of the boxes we put ourselves in, because who needs to be boxed in by our own selves? Isn't that ridiculous? Oh my goodness. Yep, I'm enjoying. I think I may have learned some things over the last couple years about myself and about life. And I'm like, what? No. I try to stay exactly as I am at all times. So it's kind of a delight to be going through what I've been learning and utilizing it to be happier. It's actually so much more fun and delightful than I ever gave myself permission to enjoy. How did that happen? I don't know. But God, I love trekking through the muck phase where you are like, oh, you are doing the energetic work. You are taking that deep inner soul and really trying to listen to that knowledge and get into a place where you're like, oh, I hear you, knowledge. That's awesome. It's good. It's a beautiful thing, I feel. Woo! We are all a little sleep drunk because I laid Para down for her nap and we all fell asleep. I had the heater on because today's kind of cool. And oh my goodness, it was warm in there. I fell asleep. Abraham took a nap. We were all like, oh, we're so tired. I have to show you the bunnies though. They are adorable. So let me show you what we have. I've got a couple options. I made the bagels that you saw me making and the baguette. These are sourdough. This is actually yesterday I made another baguette. This is just like a regular yeast leaven. It's not sourdough. Equally good. So I've got a couple sandwich makings. I was giving the bunnies little tiny small carrot slices, or not carrot, banana. You can't give them too much. I have learned because it's too sugary for them. And I'm trying to decide, what do we make for dinner? Maybe I save these for breakfast tomorrow and I do big sandwiches. I'm leaning towards that potato salad that I made a big veggie green salad because I think I have some. You come with me? Hi, how you doing? How has your day been? I feel like I was so buzzed on getting work done that I didn't really ask you how you were doing earlier today. Today felt very much like in the zone, getting great work done. And I can definitely get a little hyper when I get like that. But it's just the only way that I know to power through and get work done. Got this from Costco. Is to just stay super focused. Because you biscuits know me, I lose focus so bad. Oh, Abraham reminds me. That's why I had earlier said I was going to make sandwiches with this delicious giant avocado. Biscuits, when are avocados going to go on sale again? They're so expensive right now. I really like them as something that's really good for if you have a family that has a lot of eczema. Adding avocado food and avocado oil can be helpful. Okay. But are you having a good day? Are you feeling like your week was successful in both your work and in how you're feeling about happiness and your connection to it? Because sometimes I'll have a week where I will be uber productive. Don't mind that mess. I'm clearing things out. Oh wait, is there a... Oh no, I thought Abraham was pantless. He's got pants on. Where I will have a week where I am extremely productive. I've really shifted my energy. I'm focused. And I'm manifesting really good things into life. But sometimes I get lost on the productivity and it makes me not really focus on the happiness of slow moments. You know, I've been saying this to myself for years now, but each season this is the season that I will look back on with longing. And it doesn't matter what season it is, right? Each season. And I really try to hold that as true. I'm going to go get the bunny. Okay. So this is Lord Keratin, the first.
Yep, I named a horse.
He's a Rex Lion, I can't remember the rest of that breed's name, mix.
He does.
He's still really getting used to us. We're trying to give them plenty of space, lots of good food, kind of take their cues. But I am trying to slowly introduce holding them a little bit in a way that isn't too stressful for them, because I want them to get used to us holding them and feel secure in that. Hi, Keratin. Carrot, do you want to say hi to everybody? My hair is so dirty. I have to go wash it. It's not wet. It's just dirty. It's like dry shampoo and oil in it from what I was filming.
Hi, Biscuits. How are you doing?
Oh, he's a good bunny. He has it out for Abraham, though. Definitely. Like, without a doubt.
He does
He
like
really dislikes Abraham, and we don't know why.
He growled at me.
Yeah, he like, does this weird growling sound. He loves Pear.
Only at me.
He'll come up and, like, head butter and ask for little treats really gently. But, boy, Butternut, though, loves Abraham.
Yeah,
like,
he gave
from
me
the time they
to
first
pick
met.
him up.
Mm-hmm.
How about Carrot? Humped me. No, not humped. He did a little nose jump. This is David. He growls at me too. David.
I just try to treat them like I'm a big bunny, you know?
So fucking cuddly. Well, not to me though.
It's a big deal. Like, we don't introduce new family pets often, right? And we really gave a lot of thought to this with all the moving we've been doing and everything. But then some things came together that it was just clear that we needed somebody for the kids to hang out with. And these bunnies were rescue bunnies, so they needed to be saved and adopted and loved. We're given a good safe home, and we thought, boy. And the adoption rescue agency was like, you guys are a really good fit. Like, we came and met her, the lady that saves the bunnies, that runs the organization. She was like, I really think these bunnies would enjoy going home with you. So point being, I hope that you're feeling good that, like, this week was satisfying, not just in your work, but in settling into, like, really beautiful moments, you know? That's been my balancing act, is learning those two things. Oh, you're just so cute. You're such a good bunny. You are. Okay, biscuits. I'm gonna make dinner. And then it's shower night for everybody. Everybody's got to hose off. I have 5 million things to do for my other small business, the farm stay that I run, because it is opening weekend. And you would say, oh, Rose, you've had like 6 months to prepare. Are you ready? No, I'm really not. And I don't, if you asked me, I wouldn't be able to tell you why I'm not ready, because I've been methodically like doing all this other stuff. But I've been trying not to put too much on my plate, and by doing that, it is so totally not ready. I mean, it looks great. It's coming along, but there's all these little detail things. Final clean through, and this weekend I have like a birthday party for one of the kids' friends, and there's other events I have to go to, so I'm like, we're gonna see how that goes. But again, realistic, good expectations I'm working on. Look at this cute. If you biscuits could feel him, he's so soft and fluffy. He's like a heated stuffy toy.
Yeah.
What a good boy.